If you own a Jeep, you already know keeping the inside clean can be a challenge. Mud, dirt, snow, sand, and whatever else you manage to drag back into your Jeep after an adventure. So today I'm testing out these 3W all-weather floor liners in my 2023 Jeep Wrangler. I'm going to show you how they fit, what I like about them, and how easy they are to clean, and whether I think they're a good option for Jeep owners. Hey everyone, I'm Tammy, aka Jeep Mama, and one of the things I've learned over the years is Jeep accessories don't have to be big, complicated modifications. Sometimes the simple things make Jeep life easier, and floor mats or floor liners fit into that category. 3W sent me a set of their all-weather floor liners for my 2023 Jeep Wrangler, so I've had a chance to get them installed and see how they work in the real world. And today I'm going to give you a closer look. When I first took these out of the box, one of the first things I noticed was the material. They are made from TPE, which is a flexible rubber-like material. They're not the really stiff, hard plastic-style floor liner. They have some flexibility to them, but they still hold their shape. Another thing I noticed right away, no overpowering rubber smell. That's something I appreciate because the last thing I want to do is climb into my Jeep and smell my floor mats. 3W describes its TPE material as odorless and designed for all-weather use. The installation couldn't be much easier. Just take out your existing floor mats, put in the 3W liners, and that's pretty much it. The important thing with the floor liner is the fit. You don't want something sliding around under your feet, especially on the driver's side around the pedals. These are designed specifically for my Wrangler. 3W says they use 3D scanning to create the vehicle-specific shape of their liners. And once they're in the Jeep, you can really see how they follow the contours of the floor. Take a look at how far the liner comes up around the sides. That's one of the biggest differences between an all-weather floor liner and a basic flat floor mat. Instead of the dirt and water immediately running off onto your carpet, you've got this raised area around the outside. And for a Jeep, I think that's really important because let's face it, we're not always climbing into our Jeeps with perfectly clean shoes. Now the Jeep test. How are these floor mats going to actually work for the way I use my Jeep? Because my Jeep isn't just driving back and forth on perfectly clean pavement. There are dirt roads, there are trails, there are camping trips, there are muddy shoes, and here in this part of the country, eventually there's going to be snow, slush, and road salt. That's why I like having a liner that covers more of the floor instead of just putting a small mat directly under my feet. 3W markets these as waterproof all-season liners, so they're meant for exactly this kind of mess. And here's another important one for me. How easy are they to clean? Because if something is supposed to protect my Jeep but becomes a huge project every time I have to clean it, I'm probably not going to love it. With floor liners like these, you can pull them out of your Jeep, dump the loose dirt and debris, and rinse them down, let them dry, and put them back in. This is where I think you're really going to appreciate them if you take your Jeep off-road or go camping. Mud stays on the liner instead of getting ground into your carpet, and that's a win in my book. Now let's look at the back. This is the area that sometimes gets overlooked, but if you've got passengers, kids, pets, camping gear, or you're constantly throwing things in the back of your Jeep, that back floor can get just as dirty. Again, what I'm looking at here is coverage. How well does it follow the Jeep floor? How much area is actually protected? And does it stay where it's supposed to? So after getting these into my Wrangler, there are a few things that stand out to me. Number one, the fit. They're made specifically for the Wrangler. Number two, the raised edges. Mud, snow, and water have somewhere to go instead of immediately ending up on my carpet. Number three, the material. They're flexible without feeling flimsy. Number four, there's no strong rubber smell. That may sound like a little thing, but if you've had a set of mats that make your entire vehicle smell like a tire store, you appreciate it. And number five, they're easy to clean. For me, Jeep gear needs to be practical. I don't want to be afraid of getting it dirty. So some things to consider. First, these are molded floor liners. So if you like the look and feel of carpeted floor mats, this is obviously going to be very different. Also, when you're shopping, make sure you select the exact version for your Wrangler. Check the year, model, and configuration before ordering. I think these are especially worth considering if you take your Jeep off-road, go camping, live somewhere with snow and road salt, frequently deal with rain or mud, have kids or pets, or you're simply trying to keep your carpet in your Wrangler looking good. Even if your Jeep never sees a difficult trail, you're still getting in and out of it every day. Now I want to hear from you. What are you using in your Jeep Wrangler? Are you using all-weather floor mats? Or are you using the factory floor mats? Or maybe your carpet is taking one for the team. Let me know in the comments below, and I will put the information for the 3W floor liners in the description below. If this review helped you, give me a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe to Jeep Mama for more real-world Jeep tips, Jeep gear reviews, and adventures.